The stage we are now is the easiest stage. We already learned how to solve for the factors of any number, the factor pairs of any number, the common factors of numbers. Now we are looking for the highest common factors. Welcome to Whiteboard Math Party. Please subscribe, share, like our comment, and give us a thumb up if you like it. Let us proceed with these examples. To solve for the highest common factor of any number, this is all you need to do. Look at example number 1 for instance. I want to find the highest common factors of 4 and 10. For your information, highest common factor can be written in a short form as HCF. So each time you see this, just know that you're looking for the highest common factors. Now the method I'm going to teach you is just one of the many methods that we use to solve highest common factors or HCF. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to look for all the factors of 4 and I'll also look for all the factors of 10. Then I'll just look for the highest and that's it. All right, let's begin. The factors of 10 are 1, 2, 5, and 10. These are all the numbers that actually can divide 10. Nothing else. Now, all the factors of 4 are 1, 2, and 4. These are all the numbers that can divide 4. Before you choose the highest common factor, the next thing to be done first of all is to compare, to look for the common factors, because remember you are looking for highest common factor, not just the highest factor. So first of all, find the common factors. And for me to look for the common factors, all I will need to do is to look for numbers that appear in the factors of 10 and at the same time in the factors of 4. These numbers are the number 1, as you can see here, the number 2, as you can see here, and that's it. Since we have numbers 1 and 2, it's easy for us to choose the highest. We can simply say now that the HCF of 4 and 10 is simply 2 because 2 is the highest common factor rather that appears in 4 and 10. Very easy peasy lemon squeezy. What about 9 and 27? Let's find that out. For the number 9, I'm going to look for all the factors which are 1, 3, anything else, and 9. That's it. 9, 3, and 1. And for 27, what are the numbers that can divide without any remainder? We have 1, 3, 9 itself, and 27. That's it. Now look for the common factors. The common factors can be written in short form as CF. So the common factors of 9 and 27 are the number 1, they appear in both, the number 3, and the number 9. These are the common factors. After looking for the common factors, the very next thing you need to concentrate on is to look for the highest common factors. So the highest common factors is the highest number that appears in the common factors of the numbers you are looking for. And in this case, the highest common factor is 9. So the HCF of 9 and 27 is 9. Easy, right? Okay, what if you're given three numbers to solve and we have huge numbers here, number 16, number 36, and number 64? How will you do that? Let's dig in. For 16, we remember that 1 times 16 is 16, so 1 is going to be there. 2 times 8 is 16, yes. 4 times 4 is 16, 4 will be there. 8 times 2 is 16, that's correct. We said that 16 times 1 actually is 16. So this is it. These are the factors. What about 36? 1 times 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12, 4 times 9, 6 times 6. Anything else? Yes, 9 times 4. So we're writing the 9 here. 12 times 3, we said 18 times 2, and finally 36 times 1. That's it. For 64, there will be so many. All the factors we find in most of these numbers will come back to 36. So let's see. 1 can go, 2 can go, 3 cannot divide 64. That's not going to work. So we go to 4, 6. Can 6 go? No. 6 is not going to succeed. So we're not working with 6. Let's proceed. We go to the number 8, which can divide 64 without any remainder. The number 12 can divide 64. Are we sure? No. The number 12 cannot divide 64. What other number can we take? We go with the number 16. Is the number 32. And after the number 32, we have the number 64. Alright, since we have been able to find out all the numbers that can divide 64, the next thing we are going to do is we need to compare. So for us to compare, we are looking for the common factors. And when we trace this down, the common factors of all the numbers here are 1 is always there, right? So we take the number 1. The next thing, 2 is there also in all of them. We take the number 2. Do we have 3 in all? No, but the number 4 appears in all of them. So we take the number 4. What other number do we see here? The number 6 appears just in one, doesn't succeed. The number 8 is not going to appear also, so we're not working with the number 8. What other number are we dealing with? Does 16 appear in all of them? No. What about 9? No. What about 12? No. 16 only appeared in 64 and 16 not in 36. So we're going to leave this as 1, 2, and 4. So we're going to end up saying from here that the highest common factor for the numbers 16, 36, and 64, the highest common factor for this number will be the number 4 because this is the highest, will be the number 4. So this is our final answer. Can you try solving for the number 16 and 100? Please post your answer in the comment section and tell us what the highest common factor of this particular two numbers will be. As always, thank you for watching Whiteboard Math Party.